Welcome to a new video on the parts channel. Well, a while ago I made a video explaining how an intercooler radiator can cause the engine to lose power. I'll leave you the link in case you haven't seen it. Well, in that video I explained that it was due to the oil that was inside it, which made it difficult for the air to pass through. Here, as you can see, this is another intercooler radiator, which is completely clogged on the outside. It is very, very dirty. Here the problem is that this has some cells, that the outside air when passing through them, cools the air that is inside, but being so obstructed, it cannot do that function. Then, as a consequence, the air will arrive hotter than it should to the cylinder, and already you know that being hotter is less dense and therefore has less oxygen. Then the explosion inside the cylinder is going to be less powerful than it should be, and that is going to make the engine lose power. Okay? Watch out for these things. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.